beautiful thing about improvising is if you We had a couple of hours. We had about 20 kids show up that morning, and they brainstormed those ideas. We've got some ideas of sounds that we hear in this area, bird song, the sound of the train, the sound of traffic, that sort of thing. And then they were immediately off, and that was it. And so that's all it took, really, was just that initial impetus, and then they ran with it. And what they came up with in the space of an hour is incredible.
So I kind of do creative projects that provide opportunities for the children to explore other areas of music. So for Sistema, it was an opportunity to use the space that's around the old library. So the council provides the space of the old library as a music hub. And what's great is that the children have been experimenting with improvisation. So for them to have come out and experienced the space, to notice what's around, notice the sounds, they realise that music is more than just notes on a page and making a sound on the instruments.
It was quite liberating because usually you have to learn sort of pieces and things, but with the improvisation you could do whatever you want as long as it fit the brief.
It's quite nice activating spaces and having people kind of be aware of where they are suddenly, and I guess sound is one way of doing that.
A project like this is really great for, I guess, working with sites and activating sites, and using new technology enables young people particularly to engage with it. Partnering with Sistema is really great because we get to work with their children and have them interpret the space they would like, and also Nick, who's the music facilitator. It's been a fantastic project for us, and I feel like it really enhances the space that otherwise would just be a transit zone for people in town.